To put the straps on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 is fairly simple. Now, aligning it is easy. All you need to do is simply ensure that at least the buttons are on the side that you prefer. If you prefer wearing your watch on your right hand, then this is how you will be putting the straps. So it would look something like this. If you prefer wearing it on your left hand, the buttons will be on the right hand side. So it's completely up to you to decide how you're going to wear it. Then, once you've chosen which side the buttons are also going to be on, after you've decided that, putting the straps is fairly simple. All you need to do is simply just align the strap with the specific port. So now for this port right here, you can see here, it's supposed to enter this small hole. So you're going to go ahead and align it and then push in until you hear a clicking sound. So align and push. Do the same thing on the top end, just align and push, like so. Once you do that, you'll have successfully put the straps onto the Samsung Galaxy Watch 9. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.